The Viral Avengers Adventure. In a small suburban town called Maplewood, a group of kids known as the Maple Squad spent their afternoons imagining they were part of the Avengers. Sarah, the leader, always pretended to be Iron Man, with her homemade helmet that glowed red. Jake, her best friend, wielded a foam Mjolnir and insisted he was Thor. Emma, the clever one, fashioned her own web shooters from silly string and claimed Spider-Man's role, while Max, their tech genius, had a homemade Hulk smash glove that made smashing sounds when activated. One day, the squad stumbled across an odd device buried in Sarah's backyard. It was shiny, glowing faintly, and covered in strange markings. Max, curious as ever, took it home to investigate. After hours of tinkering, he activated it by accident, and a hologram of none other than Nick Fury appeared. "Kids," the hologram said, "I don't know how you found this device, but we need your help. A mysterious villain named the Phantom Hacker is using tech to mess with the world's internet and spread chaos. You've been chosen as the secret Junior Avengers to stop him." The kids couldn't believe it. They were being recruited by S.H.I.E.L.D. Their mission. Nick Fury explained that the Phantom Hacker's viral videos were spreading all over the internet, hypnotizing people into doing silly but dangerous things, like dancing in the middle of busy streets or trying to climb tall buildings. The squad's mission was to track down the source of the videos and shut them down. Max used his skills to trace the signal to an abandoned amusement park on the outskirts of town. The squad geared up in their homemade Avengers outfits, ready for action. The amusement park showdown. When they arrived, the park was eerily quiet, except for a giant screen showing a looping video of people acting under the Phantom Hacker's influence. Suddenly, robotic minions appeared, guarding the control tower where the hacker operated. Jake swung his foam hammer, pretending to summon lightning, while Max used his Hulk smash glove to knock over the robots. Emma's silly string web shooters worked surprisingly well to tangle up their enemies, and Sarah's glowing helmet blinded the robots, giving her teammates time to disable them. Finally, they made it to the control tower, where they found the Phantom Hacker, a kid not much older than them. He was a genius programmer who felt ignored and wanted the world to notice his talents. The squad's solution. Instead of fighting, Sarah convinced the Phantom Hacker to use his skills for good. "If you can make something go viral, imagine how many people you could inspire instead of hypnotizing," she said. The Phantom Hacker hesitated.